Hey guys, it's Chris from Tech Advisor and we're here at the next Acer event in New York. And we're going to take a look at the new Predator Helios 700 because it's a bit bonkers. Acer's been used to doing things a little bit bonkers in the past. We've had laptops like the 21X with its crazy big curved screen and power supplies, but this is the new 700 model of the Predator Helios with this crazy hyperdrift keyboard, they're calling it, which basically just means you can slide the keyboard out. The trackpad's on this little hinge section here, so it gives you a bit of a palm rest for when you're gaming. Also keeps you a little bit further away from the 17-inch screen you've got over there, and as you can see here, it reveals all kinds of cooling things. So we've got a couple of huge Aeroblade 3D fans, we've got some copper pipes inside there behind the glasses, all looking pretty nice and fancy. And if we come and have a look at the keys over here, we've got the WSAD, and these are new maglev keys, so they don't just push on and off. You can actually push them a bit like a trigger on a gaming controller, so there's actually different levels of push there, and Ace is saying that you can basically use that to game a little bit differently. It remains to be seen what that actually looks like. Maybe you can accelerate or brake a bit better if you're playing a gaming, a driving game with these keys. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Helios 700, which in the US is going to start at $2,699, partly because we're looking at stuff like a Core i9, shipping in April. We're looking at the same price in euros if you're over in Europe, but looking at a little bit later in June, sort of July time. Thanks for watching.